unfortunately, only 5 of those are eligible. I mean, if you want it to be that, yeah, that's what I was thinking. If we did, if we covered actually all the tanks, or at least all the popular possibilities, because it's hard enough to get 5 kills. But then when, you know, a third of every game potentially isn't eligible, it makes it really tough. There's just so many premiums now. Oh, you can move. Yeah. Our Comet is not good. He is missing every shot. Nice. Oh, that's an IS. That was not who I thought was there. Ah, crap. Alright. Yep.
Enemy armor is damaged. Enemy armor is damaged.
Did you miss? Oh no! What? Wow. I don't even know where he... Oh, there he is, sitting right there. Wow. That is some thievery if I ever saw it.
That's gotta hurt. The truck is damaged.
It's not that heavy.
We got him.
Oh, well, we only had 1 kill, so... Or I guess 2. Thanks. I'm pretty happy doing anything, so... We're winning, so that's all that matters after the way it's been. Yeah, that's... I don't know, God, that's a lot, too. That's 14 in a row for me. And 18 of 19, so I'm happy doing anything. I was due for one of these nights. It's been a while. I know, actually, that's just the tank I was clicking on, too. I wish it did. It would be so much better. It's still good. I feel like I find myself doing 3,000 damage in it a lot. Wow. 8s and 6s. Can't pen the front of any of those 8s.
Time to roll out.
$34, no, $59, yeah. We can't do anything to any of the fronts. Two of these together looks really cool, though. it does. Nope. Ah, this distracts. There we go. Stay right there for me. I've found in a platoon, I don't know who, I think it was with Mastiff the other day, we were in victories against a Type 59, and if you try for it, you can really ammo rack them pretty consistently in a platoon. Because we were clearly outgunned, and he hit it once, and I just aimed right for it and blew him up. It was, yeah, you can do it. And it's just so obvious. It's just right there on that right side in between tracks. I'm about as far away from you as I can be.
We hit them hard. Critical hit. We're immobilized. Track repairs. Drive on.
They're all camping.
Penetration. Enemy armor is damaged.
I think most of the rest. I thought most of the rest of them were up here at Castle because I saw the 34 go up. Oh. No, not all of them. Yeah, we'll see. Well, he's not very good, so.
Finish them. They're hit.
Nope, I'm good. Someone got a shot on him, and that was all I needed. Like, I love that he's raging at his team when he got owned by a tier 6. He's very salty. He went up to Castle by himself as a heavy, and then got beat in close quarters by a Fury. What are you gonna do? You can't ask for much.